The wait is finally over. BMW has unleashed its most luxurious, most powerful, and most advanced SUV yet, the all-new 2025 BMW X9. Packed with cutting-edge technology, insane performance, and first-class luxury, this beast is ready to take on the ultra-premium SUV segment. Stay tuned as we dive deep into what makes the X9 BM's ultimate SUV. The BMW X9 is a true head-turner, combining the signature BMW aesthetics with a bold new design language. It features a massive kidney grille with illuminated accents, ultra-slim laser headlights, and a sculpted hood that screams power. The sleek body lines, flared wheel arches, and 23-inch alloy wheels give it an aggressive stance, while the panoramic glass roof adds a touch of elegance. At the rear, you'll find sleek 3D OLED taillights, a sporty roof spoiler, and a quad exhaust setup that hints at the monster lurking under the hood. Speaking of power, the 2025 BMW X9 is no slouch. Under the hood, it packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid, producing a staggering 750 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. This powerhouse is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission in BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, delivering 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. And if that's not enough, BMW is also offering an all-electric X9M variant with over 850 horsepower and a range of 450 miles. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and multiple drive modes, the X9 delivers a smooth ride for luxury cruising and sharp handling for high-performance driving. Step inside, and you're greeted with a futuristic, high-tech cabin that redefines luxury. The BMW X9 features a fully digital curved display, a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system with iDrive 9, and a 12.3-inch driver's display. The crystal gear selector, ambient lighting, and premium leather upholstery make this interior a true masterpiece. BMW's latest iDrive 9 system offers AI-powered voice commands, augmented reality navigation, and full 5G connectivity. And for audiophiles, the Bowers & Wilkins 3D surround sound system delivers an unmatched audio experience. Rear passengers get the ultimate first-class experience with fully reclining seats, massaging functions, and a massive rear entertainment display. The X9 also comes with an optional 4-seat executive package, transforming the cabin into a rolling luxury lounge. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 BMW X9. It comes loaded with the latest BMW Driving Assistance Pro package, featuring Level 3 autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera with 3D parking view. Plus, BM's night vision system ensures maximum safety during night drives. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 BMW X9 starts at $150,000 for the base model, while the high-performance X9M variant can go up to $200,000 plus. It will compete directly with the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Bentley Bentayga, and the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. BMW plans to start deliveries in late 2025, so the countdown has begun. The all-new 2025 BMW X9 is more than just an SUV, it's a statement of power, luxury, and cutting-edge innovation. But what do you think? Would you choose the X9 over its rivals? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to Auto World for more exclusive car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.